Tendo hiyo
Riwruok mar lakteche mano KMPDU bade ma Nairobi seyo mokalo gavana mar kaunti ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja kuom rem chopo dwachgi kotelnegi kod jagoro margi laktar Malindi Chao. Lakteche go mabende osebedo ng'anyo kuom ndalo 28 sani olero ni gima bende gidwaro en mana osara kod okumba maber mar thieth.
19th, we actually started our strike on 19th December, and until to date we are still out of the hospitals. And this was led because in early 2025, that's in February, we had gone on strike for 39 days. We went back, we negotiated, we signed a return to work agreement. Unfortunately, out of the many and the long list, it's only one thing which the council managed to fulfill. That's giving us the confirmation letters. And it's not like they did anything extraordinary, no. The confirmation letters, these doctors were due for their confirmation letters. Unfortunately, they never got them. So out of the 12 things which we had, that's the only thing they have fulfilled. Currently, as we speak, today is 14th, and we don't have salary.
Shame.
Imagine Shame. We don't have salary, we don't have insurance. In fact, Shame. Insurance cover was just activated yesterday. So from 9th to yesterday 13th, we didn't have a cover. So in Nairobi, you are a parent, you have a family depending on you don't have a salary. 14th of January, you don't have a salary, your kids have gone back to school, your landlord is waiting on you, the list is endless. How do you expect us to survive in this Nairobi? Governor, yani salary, mshahara. All we are saying that wananchi wa Nairobi hakuna madaktari hospitali. Na ukienda hospitali mwenye anakutibu ni wale wenye mnaitanga madaktari, lakini si madaktari. So please, we kindly request medical care somewhere else in these other facilities and around the county. Because for sure, it's going to get worse.
Lakteche go wacho ni ne giluongo romo